largest palindrome product. So if you look at the largest palindrome number reads the both way. Basically 9009 is the palindrome number because it reads the same in the reverse order. So what we can do is basically we'll have to, this is the 2-digit largest palindrome number 9009. We have to figure out what is the 3-digit largest palindrome number. How we can do it? That means that we'll have to check from 999, 100 till 999 and figure out which product is palindrome and is the largest. So what we can do is first we have to define a function. Let's say I want to define a function called isPal. Okay, I'll take this number. Okay, and I think the easiest way to find out that if the number is basically, if I just convert the number into string, okay, then check the reverse of that string number. Then to check the reverse, we just do like this. Basically it's just reverse indexing. Then you can just return that. Okay, now if we just test it, isPal, let's say I'll check 101, that's true. 1011, that should be false. 10111, sorry, I think 11011, that should be true. So yeah, it's working. Now what we want to do is we want to run the loop I in range 999 till 100 minus 1, and we want to do for j in range 999 100 minus 1. Now we want to check if isPal I multiplied by j, because we want to check the multiplication. Then we just want to basically print, let's try to print it, print I, j and I multiplied by j. Now because we are looking for largest, we don't need to go for it any further. Okay, so let's just break it. Now also we need to see one thing. We know I and j moving like that. First I will be 999, then j will be coming from 999 till 998, etc. So it will just end, it will end at 100. Next one will be 998, then it will be 999 998, it will end at 100. Okay, just like that. So ultimately we are taking a product and we are breaking when j is, product of I and j is maximum. Let's say that j is something like 994 or 995. Okay, we don't want to go back to this thing. Basically we don't want I to be less than maximum of j, because that means we'll just repeat it. We'll keep track of maximum of j. Let's say max j is equal to 100. I have initialized. Okay, now here what I have to do, I have to check this. Okay, it will be like that. Here I'm checking, okay, I can do it like this. Max of j is equal to max of j and max j. Okay, and at the end what we want to do, we want to break here like that. If I less than max of j, break. Okay, so let's try to print it and see. Okay, if you look at that, I think this is the largest number. Well, actually what we can do is we can create a list just like that, and we can append the list. Let's just append I comma j, that should be enough. Okay, and we have a, now we'll have a list now. Okay, I don't need to print this, to be honest. And if I just check the max of LST, so that's the That's the answer. Yeah, that looks work. Okay, so that's your answer. Thanks for watching. So coming up next is the problem number 5.